जब आप MS पालिया से हसरगट्टा मेन रोड पे लक्ष्मीपुरा क्रॉसिंग की तरफ चलते हैं तो आपको रास्ते में ये मिलेगा एक रेस्टोरेंट द सोमेश्वरम कैफ़े, जहाँ पर मैं आज आया हूँ। लंच का टाइम है और आपको लेके चलता हूँ। नया खुला है इन बेंगलुरु। The moment you step into the restaurant, you will find a cozy and hygienic environment. The cash counter is aesthetically created. The food handlers are following the hygienic norms and the ambience is quite good, where you can enjoy and relax along with a tasty food. There is a separate chart counter which is quite delicious, and one counter where you can enjoy the fresh fruit juice. The preparations of all the orders are through open window system, where one can observe and see one's preparation which is being prepared by the cook and see the hygiene and its quality. The staff deployed on the food counter also follows the laid down instruction about hygiene. It's really very soothing to sit and eat. And he is Mr. Naveen, who is the owner of the cafe. Yes, Mr. Naveen.
Hello, sir.
How long have you been here?
We inaugurated this on July the 7th, and this has been 14 days into operation, and we've got excellent reviews from our customers who have recommended us for quality, hygiene and taste. So we're quite delighted and excited to serve you all. Please do drop it when you're passing by Hesagata Main Road. We are just bang opposite to Donara County, so look forward to having you all here.
It's just on the way to Lakshmipura crossing from MS Palia on Hasarghatta main road.
Thank you.
So please do come. The hospitality is very good. The preparation is very nice and food is tasty.
Thank you.
So these two people are behind this,
Thank
and
you.
I'm just going to have my lunch.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
They got two sections. One is AC, the other one is non-AC. So I'm taking you inside AC. The AC room's interior is well designed and equipped with the sofa sitting. The family can come and enjoy their foods here. The atmosphere here is very cool and quiet, and it adds to the taste of the food which you order. Some beautiful pictures on the wall in good frames will definitely attract your attention when you go through the menu. The menu is quite elaborate and exhaustive.
It's a complimentary. We are also very particular about hygiene. This is your restaurant. Should you feel anything of this, reach out to me. We'll be happy to have it corrected.
Thank you for
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Before my main course, they just offer this complimentary dish. What do you want?
French fries.
Say again?
French fries.
French fry. I was thrilled to know her choice. I have come personally to see the preparation here. My order included paneer tikka, cashew nut paneer, dal tadka, mushroom paneer biryani with raita, and butter naan. The food's quality and quantity both were beyond my expectations, and it was tastier than the other places I ate. It was a memorable lunch. The food was delicious and different. And I have finished. I just enjoyed a delicious food at सोमेश्वरम कैफ़े, बेंगलुरु के हसरगट्टा मेन रोड से मैं